Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. See, all of you open your EVS notebook. In your EVS notebook, we are going to do bird's name. Our topic is bird's name. First of all, you have to write down the date 27 August 2020 and you have to write here CW. Look at the first picture. Which picture is this? Yes, this is an owl. Write down the spelling of owl. Write down number 1 OWL, owl. See, which bird is this? This is an eagle. E for eagle. Write down number 2 EAGLE, eagle. Look at the third bird. Which bird is this? Yes, H for hen. Write down number 3 HEN, hen. See, which bird is this? P for parrot. Write down number 4 PARROT, parrot. Which bird is this? Yes, peacock. Write down number 5 PEACOCK, peacock. Write down number 6. Which bird is this? Yes, crow. Write down CROW, crow. Students, you have to do this work in your EVS notebook with a beautiful handwriting and you have to learn all these spellings. Thank you. Have a nice day.